Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel Timeless Woodworking Crafts, design ideas for sustainable creations with heart and purpose. Today we will show you a collection of authentic and profitable woodworking business models, design ideas for today's market. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking has always been more than a simple act of shaping timber into functional or decorative objects. In today's landscape, it has become a reflection of deeper values that center on sustainability, authenticity, and emotional resonance. At a time when industries are saturated with disposable goods and fleeting trends, Woodworking Crafts projects stand out as enduring testaments to the possibility of living more consciously, connecting more meaningfully, and creating with a sense of intention. The significance of sustainability in woodworking cannot be overstated. Especially in an age where environmental awareness is no longer a luxury, but a responsibility. Every piece made from reclaimed wood, every project that reduces waste, and every design that prioritizes durability over disposability represents a small, but impactful step toward a greener future. Sustainability in woodworking does not simply mean using eco-friendly materials. It's about respecting the natural character of the wood, allowing imperfections like knots or grain variations to become part of the finished piece, and ensuring that each creation will last, perhaps even gaining more beauty with time. For makers and customers alike, this approach challenges the fast consumption cycle, offering a slower, more mindful alternative where craft is appreciated not for being perfect, but for being true, real, and lasting. The emotional resonance of woodworking projects is equally significant, shaping how people interact with the pieces and what they come to symbolize in everyday life. Unlike factory-produced items, a handcrafted wooden piece carries the story of the maker within its design, the tactile presence of human effort in every carved detail, and the warmth of a material that feels alive long after it has been worked. When someone runs their hand over the smooth curve of a handmade bowl or places their belongings on a carefully crafted wooden stand, they are not just interacting with an object, but connecting to a narrative of care, artistry, and presence. This emotional dimension makes woodworking uniquely powerful in today's craft and business landscape. Because customers are not only purchasing an item, they are investing in meaning, history, and a sense of belonging that comes with handmade design. In an era dominated by digital interactions and mass production, the tactile intimacy of wooden crafts helps reroute people in the physical world, reminding them of nature's gifts and the human ability to transform them with intention. For today's woodworkers, sustainability and emotional resonance are not just ideals, but essential components of thriving in a modern market. Consumers are increasingly seeking goods that align with their values, items that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also environmentally responsible, ethically produced, and emotionally meaningful. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. A handmade wooden project, whether a simple rustic decor piece or an intricately designed piece of furniture, bridges all of these qualities. It allows makers to participate in a growing movement that rejects wasteful trends and embraces authenticity, while also offering customers something that speaks to their desire for connection in a fragmented world. The beauty of this shift in the woodworking landscape is that it creates space for both seasoned craftspeople and beginners to find purpose and profit in their work. One doesn't need years of mastery to start contributing. Even small projects made with care and attention can carry deep resonance, and the sustainable choices embedded in those works add layers of meaning for buyers. This dual focus on sustainability and resonance also redefines what woodworking means in the larger cultural and economic context. Instead of being seen as a niche or old-fashioned pursuit, woodworking now aligns with global movements toward eco-conscious living and mindful consumerism. Wooden crafts projects become more than just decor or utility. They symbolize resistance against throwaway culture, an embrace of slower rhythms, and a reconnection to the natural world. Every creation has the potential to embody not only skill but also ethics and emotions, offering customers the opportunity to bring into their homes objects that carry both beauty and conscience. For makers, this significance translates into empowerment, knowing that what they craft holds more than monetary value, but also contributes to a broader vision of sustainable living and human connection. In today's woodworking landscape, sustainability and emotional resonance are therefore not add-ons, but the foundation upon which successful projects are built. They shape the maker's relationship with their craft, inform the customer's experience with the finished product, and contribute to a larger cultural shift toward valuing authenticity over excess. Each wooden project crafted with these principles becomes part of a movement that seeks to balance creativity with responsibility, artistry with conscience, and commerce with meaning. The result is a woodworking culture that is not only economically viable, but also socially and environmentally significant, a landscape where the artistry of the past converges with the needs of the present, offering a way forward that is as rooted in tradition as it is in innovation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked timeless woodworking crafts design ideas for sustainable creations with heart and purpose. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.